Understanding, a gift of thanks, an English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, a gift of thanks. This isn't just a collection of words, but a meaningful expression used in various contexts. So, if you're ready to dive in and expand your understanding of English phrases, let's get started. The phrase, a gift of thanks, is fairly straightforward when you break it down. A gift is something given voluntarily without payment in return, as to show favor towards someone, honor an occasion. The word, thanks, expresses gratitude or appreciation. So, when combined, a gift of thanks is a present given to someone to show gratitude. In everyday conversation, a gift of thanks might not be used verbatim, but the concept is quite common. For instance, after someone helps you move into a new house, you might give them a small present or treat them to dinner as a gift of thanks. It's a way of showing appreciation for their effort and time. It's important to understand the cultural context when using the phrase, a gift of thanks. In some cultures, this type of gift is expected in certain situations, while in others, it might be seen as unnecessary or even inappropriate. Generally, a gift of thanks is a small, thoughtful gesture, rather than something extravagant or expensive. To fully grasp a gift of thanks, let's consider a few scenarios. 1. In the workplace. After completing a successful project, a manager might give team members a gift of thanks, like a small bonus or a day off. 2. Among friends. If a friend helps you study for an important exam and you pass, you might give them a gift of thanks, such as a book they've wanted or tickets to a concert. 3. In family. A child might give their parent a handmade card as a gift of thanks for support and love. A gift of thanks is more than just a phrase. It's an expression of gratitude and a reflection of cultural and personal values. We hope this video has not only helped you understand the phrase but also inspired you to think about the importance of gratitude in communication. Remember, a gift of thanks doesn't have to be grand. It's the thought and the sentiment behind it that truly counts. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.